How to choose a life partner. Have you ever considered how the choice of your life partner can shape your entire future? It's a decision that holds immense power, capable of influencing your happiness, your growth, and even your personal peace. It's a decision that requires thought, patience, and a deep understanding of you and your potential partner. When it comes to choosing a life partner, it's a journey, not a race. Take the time to know yourself first. Understand your values, your goals, and your non-negotiables. This self-awareness provides a compass that guides you in the search for a partner who shares similar values and goals. But remember, shared values and goals are not the only criteria. Look for someone who respects you. Respect forms the backbone of any successful relationship. It's about acknowledging differences, honoring boundaries, and appreciating the other for who they are. Compatibility, too, plays a crucial part in this life-changing decision. It's about being able to coexist harmoniously, to enjoy doing things together, and to navigate through life's ups and downs as a team. Compatibility isn't about having the same likes or dislikes, but about complementing each other and being able to grow together. Communication is another key element in choosing a life partner. Open, honest, and constructive communication paves the way for a deep emotional connection. It's about being able to share your thoughts, hopes, fears, and dreams with each other, and being able to listen and understand in return. Lastly, trust your instincts. They are often your subconscious mind giving you cues. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. In conclusion, choosing a life partner is a journey that starts with self-awareness. It's about finding someone who respects you, shares your values and goals, and is compatible with you. It's about open communication and trusting your instincts. This decision shapes your future, influencing your happiness and personal peace. So, tread this path with patience, thoughtfulness, and a deep understanding of what you truly want in a life partner.